Dear children, today's our new topic is fraction. Okay, we have discussed previous topic, that is division. This also, fraction is also that is closely related with division. Okay, and what is meant by first, that is fraction. Okay, fraction is a part of whole. Okay, I am going to explain one diagrammatical example. Okay, you can understand easily. Okay, that is fraction. That is a definition for fraction is a part of a whole. Okay, I am going to write the definition. Fraction is a part of a whole. Whole means total. Okay, that's a one portion, that is called fraction. Okay, let me discuss one example. Here I am going to draw one drawing. Okay, and that is this is a tall building. Okay, so it is a tall building and it's a upper or flat system building. Okay, it has, that is 1 2 3 4 4-story building. Okay, and that is okay, and these are the windows, doors. This is the entrance door. Okay, this is a door. Okay, so this is a long 4-story building. Okay, now you have to calculate the number of, that is doors in each floor. Okay, this is a ground floor and this is a first floor and second floor. This one is the third floor and fourth floor. And this one is the roof. Okay, so now you are going to write the number of doors in, that is ground floor. So you have to calculate. I am going to write the question. Okay, number of doors in ground floor. Number of doors in ground floor. This is a ground floor and first, second. So here you have to count the door, that is 1 and 2. This one is the entrance, okay, door. These are the two doors. So that is number of doors in ground floor, that is 2, and fraction is always be like that, is one number is we have to write in top and the other number that is should be written in below. So fraction is like that, 2 by another number. Here the total number of doors you have to write down here, that is all 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Here that is 15. This is a total portion, that is called whole. Okay, that is number of doors in ground floor, means you have to count the doors in ground floor, and this one is the 15 represents the whole part, that is a total number of windows. Okay, and similar to that of here, that is a number of doors in third floor. Number of doors in, that is third floor. Here that is third floor, you have to count the door number of doors, that is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, put the number 3 divided by the total number of doors, that is we have already count, that is 15. Okay, and the number of doors in roof. Okay, and that is number of doors in roof. Okay, here the roof, there is only one door. Okay, that is put 1, and total number of windows, that is doors, that is we have counted, that is 15. So these answers, that is 2 by 15 and that is 3 by 15 and 1 by 15. These are that is called as fraction. Okay, do you understand now? That is a similar to that of our division. In division topic, we have to divide the materials or everything to the among the equal share to the people's or content. Okay, that is division, and counting of cost of 1, that is division. Here the fraction is written as that is one top number and one below number, and the terms used in fraction. Next we are that is what is meant by fraction, and next we move on to the that is terms. What are the terms used in fraction? Let me see. Okay, do you understand this? That is what is meant by whole and what is meant by part. Okay, this is a part and the 15, number of 15 is the whole. Okay, and one more example for your reference. Suppose yours mom, okay, that is bought one pizza or one, make it as a one dosa. Two, that is one dosa you have, yours mom is going to divide into 3 persons. Okay, simply this is a dosa. Okay, this is a dosa. Okay, yours mom going to divide this 3 persons. That means, okay, like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3. That is 1 by 3. So each person has one portion of this dosa. So this is a fraction. So 1 is a portion of each one get, and 3 is a total number of whole part. Okay, and let me move on to the next, that is terms in fraction. Okay, I am going to write with example this, that is fraction. We have learned the definition, and next that is terms. Terms in fraction. Okay, and that is 3 by 5, 2 by 9, 8 by 11. Okay, these are the few examples of fraction. Now that is the number that is written as the top is called numerator. Okay, which one is called? That is numerator. Okay, and the lower bottom one written in the bottom portion, that is a denominator. Okay, which are the terms used in fraction. Okay, the number should be written in the top is called numerator, and the number should be written at the bottom of the fraction, which is called denominator. Here, so that is numerator is 3 and denominator is 5. Here that is numerator is 2. Okay, write this answer for this numerator. Here that is 2, and the denominator that is 9. Denominator that is 9. Okay, and that is 8 by 11. Okay, 8 by 11. Here the numerator is that is 8 and the denominator is 11. Is 11. Okay, so this is a these are the terms in fraction which is meant by, that is numerator and denominator. For your exercise sums, the question will be the numerator and denominator is given. So you asked to write that is the fraction. You are going to write the fraction. In your question that the numerator and denominator is given. So simply you have to write the, put the numerator number at the top, okay, and put the denominator number below the fraction, and you can write the answer by using this terms. Okay, and let me move on to the next, that is types of fraction in next video.